Oh my god.
It's gonna be awesome.
Definitely.
It's a bit cold though, and this damn lighter won't work.
What kind of firework is this anyway? Should we just...
I didn't read the freaking label.
I don't know the reason for but...
It says,
it's-
warning shoots balls of flame. Not my problem. What? Crossberries or something?
What are you guys doing?
Nothing.
Uh-huh.
What does it look like we're doing? We're laying a firework, man.
No.
Why not?
It's dangerous.
What the hell? Why is it dangerous?
How the heck is it dangerous? Like, really?
It cause a fire.
Well,
And I saw you had your head over it. It caused you burns.
I don't want to burn the curtains and the drapes, but I think I'd burn my face first. You have a point.
He does have a point. You know, there is not a lot of space in here.
Don't want to burn those $500 drapes, now do we?
No, definitely not. Alright then.
Let's go light this on the patio instead.
Yeah.